Hello everyone, this is Asadullah Sheikh and today I am here to tell you about Microsoft Office. In this video, we will see what Microsoft Office is and what does it provide us, how can we download or get Microsoft Office in our PC, how can we install Microsoft. So we will begin with the introduction of Microsoft Office. This is a small presentation that I have made to keep the system easy. So what is Microsoft Office? It is basically a suite or collection of office related application softwares. It comprises of different softwares such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft OneNote, Microsoft Access, Microsoft Outlook, and day by day they are increasing the number of software in this package. Each software included in Microsoft Office are used for different purposes. We will one by one see each software of Microsoft Office in a different video, but in this video we will only focus on what Microsoft Office is and how can we install and get it in our PC. So let's move on. So the first and most important software of Microsoft Office is Microsoft Word. What is a Microsoft Word? MS Word is a word processing program. It means it is mostly used to create professional quality documents, reports, letters, etc. etc. Every book that you read and even in the website, whatever you read is mostly formatted in the Word document. All the books, reports, CV letters, resumes, and whatsoever you read nowadays, most of them is formatted with the help of Microsoft Word. It is the finest and most efficient document formatting tools. It is the most easiest to use, and with the help of Microsoft Word you can easily form a good document or a report or a letter or whatever you want. So let's have a view of Microsoft Word. This is how Microsoft Word looks like. I'm just going to give you a basic intro of Microsoft Word in this video, and in our next video we will completely explore Microsoft Word, each and every tool of this. So this is called the ribbon of Microsoft Word. This is called the editing area, or you may call it a page to write, and this is how Microsoft Word looks like. It has different tabs in it, each of one performs different operations. We will further explore it in our next video. So let's move on. After Microsoft Word, the most important comes the Microsoft PowerPoint. What is Microsoft PowerPoint? Microsoft PowerPoint is a software that enables us to design a professional quality presentation. It means it is only and only used to design presentations. These are used to present information in the form of a presentation in office meetings, lectures or seminars, and you can present it wherever you want. Wherever you want to amplify or accelerate your information, you can use a Microsoft PowerPoint, such as I am presenting in front of you guys. The theme that you are seeing right now is basically designed on Microsoft PowerPoint. You can see it right here. This is basically a PowerPoint design presentation, whatever you are seeing here. This is an example. This is the editing area of PowerPoint. This is the ribbon of PowerPoint, and these are the slides that we work on. So let's move on. After the Microsoft PowerPoint, it comes Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is the most complicated and most used tool, or I can say software of MS Office. MS Excel is basically a spreadsheet program. What it does, it is used to create workbooks, charts. It is also used to analyze data, perform calculations. It enables us to use formulas, and it is mostly used to perform operations involving calculations or data entry. Most of the companies, or wherever, if you will go for job somewhere, they will require you to have knowledge of Microsoft Excel. because the most of the tasks are nowadays performed on Microsoft Excel. So these three are the most common and most used softwares of MS Office. There are furthermore such as MS Access, MS Outlook, but these are not mostly used, and we will in future, of course, we will reveal all these also, but for the sake of time convenience, we will only go through these three in the next videos. And about the MS of Access, Outlook, OneNote and Publisher, I will surely make other videos too. So the question now is how to get MS Office. You can either download it from any local source, or you can buy online it from the Microsoft.com, or you can buy a CD of MS Office from the market or any computer shop. I will prefer you to buy it online or get MS Office CD, because most of the local sources are not trusted enough. Or an alternative way to get you the MS Office is you can contact me either on Facebook or by email. I will provide you the software that I have bought of MS Office. I will provide you the software for free. I have got it from the CD. And the thing now comes is how to install MS Office. So to install MS Office, you will have to watch the video till end. In this video, I am going to explain how to install MS Office and what are the steps to install MS Office. So let's move on to install MS Office. So installing Microsoft Office is a quite easy task. Here you can see I have got the setup of MS Office 2013. It is a 64-bit setup. If you require 32-bit or if you require this one 64-bit, you can ask me via Facebook, or you can email me, or you can comment below. I will provide you the complete setup of Microsoft Office. So let's see how to install. Open the binary file, open up the folder, and here you will find the setup exe. Extract the setup. So the extraction is now complete. As you can see, the installer has opened. It is asking for it is providing me with the several options, as I have already installed MS Office in my system. So for the sake of convenience of viewer, I will reinstall it by choosing the option add or remove features. So what will happen if you will directly install it? You will not get any notification like this. What you will just see is an install now button, and you will have to click it only. We have to wait until the installation is completed. So as I updated my MS Office and everything is set up, once your installation is complete, you might see the same window as I am seeing here, or either it will give you something different. What you will have to do is to close the program and run it manually. How would you start MS Office? You can see in the Windows tab here the MS Office is installed, and some of the applications are visible here. Or the other way is to search here. If you want to open MS Word, you will just type WinWord or MS Word and press enter, and you will see the MS Word running in front of you. In the same method, if you want to open the PowerPoint, what you will do is quite simple. You will just type PowerPoint or MS Excel and press enter, and the application will start running in front of you. So this was the process to install MS Office. I have already got my MS Office activated. If the software is asking from you for activation, in the folder of Office you can find the activation keys available here. Once you will open this activation keys, notepad file. There are different keys available. What you will have to do, you will have to test one by one which one is working for your product. Most probably this one or this one should work for your this product, and different products have different keys, so these are all the available keys for the products. And if you want to know something else, you can ask me below in the comments, or you can directly contact me via the Facebook, or you can email me, and I will be glad to answer your question. Thank you for watching.